Do you need an estate plan? What is an estate plan? And what can an estate plan do for you and your family? Hello again, this is probate real estate specialist Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. On this program, we assist attorneys and personal representatives with real property that's going through the probate process. In this video, we are assisting you in answering the question, do I need an estate plan, and what is an estate plan? Let's get started. First, it's important to understand the definition of the term estate. According to Merriam-Webster's dictionary, an estate is the degree, the quality, the nature, and the extent of one's interest in land and other property. You can think of it like this. An estate is what is owned. Everything you own is part of your estate, including the clothes on your back. Estate planning involves determining who will manage and handle your assets in case you're incapacitated or when you die. Through estate planning, you plan for who will manage your assets, how and who will receive your assets after death, and during the estate planning process, you determine when and under what circumstances will your assets be distributed during your lifetime. The estate planning process also involves financial planning, tax planning, medical planning, and business planning. Here are some of the important questions to ask and to answer for yourself when creating an estate plan. Who would I like to care for my minor children if I am unable to care for them? What would I like done with my remains upon death? Where would I like my remains buried, scattered, or laid to rest? These are the kinds of decisions your family should not have to make for you. So, do you need an estate plan? In my personal opinion, if you own more than the clothes on your back, you need an estate plan. If you are planning on leaving some of your assets to charitable organizations, you need an estate plan. What can an estate plan do for your family? An estate plan can assist your family in avoiding a bunch of problems and a lot of drama. If you want to see family drama, go to the probate court. Some falsely believe that estate planning is only writing a will. Writing a will is only one part of estate planning. You will need other documents drafted to completely cover your estate planning needs. A revocable living trust can be an efficient and effective estate planning document. You should consult a qualified estate planning attorney to make sure that all of your estate planning bases are covered. If you've gotten value out of this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions for me, my contact information is in the description. I'm Daryl Williams. This is Win-Win Realtors TV. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. This video has been for information purposes only. It is not legal advice. If you need legal advice, please consult an attorney. If you do not know an estate planning attorney, please contact me for a referral.